welcome into a brand new episode of WSI TV. Enjoy the show.
Welcome back for another brand new episode of WSI TV. I'm Jordan Bishop and this is Tyler Dressel.
Welcome back, guys. First things first, don't forget to head over to WSITV.com to claim your free access to the WSI Vault.
Right, so let's jump into it here. As you saw, we had a 192% gain overnight. Now, this isn't brand new to us, but we wanted to offer you a special opportunity here. So just to go back to it, last Tuesday on July 31st, we sent an alert out, a video alert from me that said buy a call option on the stock SODA. Now, for those of you who are new to options, a call option basically means we want the stock to go up. And then the next day, we had them close out their SODA position for a 192% gain. Now, this was all part of our Pillow Profits system, which we're going to give you a special offer to get your hands on in just a little bit. But we did have a very nice testimonial come in from one of our very happy customers, from Jimmy C. And Tyler, I'll let you read that off for them.
Sure. That testimonial reads, Jim, I want to thank you and Jordan and the whole Pillow Profits team for the great job you're doing. The August pick of soda yesterday was dead on. I had a 192% gain. Thanks again, Jimmy C.
So if you would like to join Jimmy C, here's how you get it. We're going to give you a free month of Pillow Profits. So basically what Pillow Profits is, it's a DVD set we've put together that teaches you the system, and then you can pay extra monthly to get a video sent to your email inbox from me, giving 4 stock picks every single month. But like I said, we're going to give you the first month free just for being, an exclusive WSI TV member and to show our thanks. And more importantly, so you can get in on the next 192% gain overnight. So all you have to do is go to www.mypillowprofit.com and claim your free copy of Pillow Profits. The free 30-day promo is automatically applied once you check out. Once again, that website is www.mypillowprofit.com, and you can claim your next gain. It should be, we should have another big gain like that very soon. Hopefully in your free trial we'll have one. It's got a very good strike rate here. Again, 4 stocks a month sent straight to your inbox. Well, Tyler, thanks for joining me today. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching the latest episode of WSI TV. Be sure to visit WSITV.com where you can subscribe for free with no contract and gain instant access to the secrets of self-made millionaires via the WSI TV Vault. So go ahead and claim this gift for free now at WSITV.com.